Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, the perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did bestel by a restaurant, ordering at a restaurant. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Les 30, Geslag, gender. This episode is part of our grammar series. In Afrikaans, geslag refers to words that indicate geslag, words that indicate gender. In Afrikaans, there are two genders, manlik, manlik, and vrouwlik, vrouwlik. Currently, some people prefer to not make reference to gender. If you would want to avoid gender, you would use the male form of the word, as there is no neutral form. Yet, the use of geslag is still very widely used today, so let's go over it. There are three ways in which geslag can occur. Either the whole word indicates the geslag, or the suffix indicates the geslag, or a suffix that can be also stand alone. First, we will show some examples of where the whole word shows the geslag. Words like pa, pa, ma, ma, opa, opa, oma, oma, boetie, boetie, sussie, sussie, neef, neef, niggie, niggie, bruidegom, bruidegom, bruid, bruid, heer, heer, dame, dame, meneer, meneer, mevrou, mevrou. You'll notice that these words are all about people in relation to each other. Next, we have geslag indicated by the suffix of a word. You'll see that these words are all occupations or identities in some way. We'll underline the suffix that changes. Acteur, acteur, actrice, actrice. Knowing the geslag suffixes will be important as they are found in multiple words and following the same pattern. For example, directeur, directeur, directrice, directrice, inspecteur, inspecteur, inspectrice, inspectrice. Let's show some more. Masseur, masseur, masseuse, masseuse, regisseur, regisseur, regisseuse, regisseuse, leser, leser, leseres, leseres, danser, danser, danseres, danseres, sanger, sanger, sangeres, sangeres, speler, speler, speelster, speelster, spreker, spreker, spreekster, spreekster, boer, boer, boerin, boerin, keizer, keizer, keizerin, keizerin, kelner, kelner, kelnerin, kelnerin. These are a few of the patterns you might find. Like most things in language, it is better not to just study them, but to immerse and practice these words in their context. This would lead to a fuller understanding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Lastly, we come to suffixes that can also stand alone. These words all relate to various animal groups. Let's see. Bull, bull, koei, koei. It makes sense to use it just like this, but can also be used like kudu bull, kudu bull, kudu koei, kudu koei. Bull and koei are used for big game. Ram, ram, oi, oi, rooibok ram, rooibok ram, rooibok oi, rooibok oi. Ram and oi are used for small game. Mannetjie, mannetjie, wyfie, wyfie. Gaansmannetjie, gaansmannetjie. Gaanswyfie, gaanswyfie. Leeuwmannetjie, leeuwmannetjie. Leeuwwyfie, leeuwwyfie. Mannetjie and wyfie are used for poultry and cats. Beer, beer. Sog, sog. Vlakvark, beer. Vlakvark, beer. Vlakvark, sog. Vlakvark, sog. Beer and sog are used for pig-like animals. Hunks, hunks. Mary, Mary. Zebra hunks, zebra hunks. Zebra Mary, zebra Mary. Hunks and Mary are for horse-like animals. Next week, liggaamsdele, body parts in Afrikaans. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.